In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing your projects or just doing a bit of housekeeping, it's important to know how to efficiently manage your Smartsheets. Renaming them is a simple but powerful way to keep everything organized and accessible. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or simply head over to your home screen on Smartsheet. Once you're there, the next step is to open the sheet you intend to rename. This could be any sheet that you're currently working on, or one that you frequently refer to. Once you have the sheet open, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the current name of the sheet displayed prominently. This is the section where we'll be making our changes. Click directly on the sheet name. When you do this, it becomes editable, allowing you to type in a new name. Now, this might seem straightforward, but choosing the right name is crucial for keeping your work organized and easily searchable. Consider using a naming convention if you have several sheets or if these sheets are shared with a team. This way, everyone can quickly identify the content of the sheet just by its name. After typing in your desired new name, you've got a couple of options to confirm and save this change. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or simply click outside the text box where you made the edit. Both actions will save your new sheet name. This is a quick and handy step because it ensures that the change is locked in without requiring additional prompts. As a side note, remember that renaming a sheet doesn't affect its content or any of the data within. Your sheet will still contain all the same information and any shared permissions remain intact. However, it's important to notify your team members or collaborators if you're working on a shared sheet, especially if the new name might not be immediately recognizable to them. That's all there is to it. Renaming a Smartsheet is a simple process, yet it can have a big impact on how well you and your team manage projects and data. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your Smartsheet experience. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.